Sterile manufacturing. Disinfection. Content. Purpose. Introduction. Importance of cleanroom disinfection. Pre-disinfection cleaning. Disinfection programs. Monitoring and validation. Handling of disinfectants and detergents. Advanced methods. Conclusion. Closing remarks. Purpose. To emphasize the importance of disinfection in sterile manufacturing cleanrooms, highlight best practices, and ensure compliance with industry standards. 1. Introduction. Objective. Understand the significance of cleanroom disinfection in sterile manufacturing. 2. Importance of cleanroom disinfection. Prevents contamination. Ensures product safety and efficacy. Complies with regulatory requirements. 3. Pre-disinfection cleaning. Key point. Effective disinfection begins with thorough cleaning. Actions. Remove surface contamination before disinfection. 4. Disinfection programs. Multiple agents. Utilize various disinfectants with different modes of action. Sporicidal agent. Periodically use a sporicidal disinfectant. 5. Monitoring and validation. Regular monitoring. Assess effectiveness and detect resistant microbial flora. Validation. Confirm disinfectant's effectiveness on specific surfaces and solutions expiry. 6. Handling of disinfectants and detergents. Sterility. Ensure disinfectants and detergents used in critical areas are sterile. Dilution and storage. Prepare and store in contamination-free containers for defined periods. Vendor qualification. Accept ready-made products with verified certificates. 7. Advanced methods. Fumigation and vapor disinfection. Validate the effectiveness of vapor phase hydrogen peroxide and other agents. Conclusion. Reinforce the critical role of cleanroom disinfection in maintaining sterility and product safety. Encourage adherence to outlined best practices for effective contamination control. Closing remarks. Emphasize the need for continuous monitoring and validation. Highlight the importance of using multiple disinfecting agents. Encourage ongoing education and training for personnel to stay updated with best practices. Thank you for your attention. Let's commit to maintaining the highest standards of cleanliness and sterility in our manufacturing processes. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.